Best bike repair stands. For any mechanic, a bike repair stand is a must. It is where the bike is lifted so that the parts can be tested and replaced at a comfortable height and posture. List of best bike repair stands review. 10. FIXKIT bike repair stand. 9. Park tool repair stand. 8. Park tool upgraded mechanic repair stand. 7. F2C adjustable. 6. Rad Cycle Products adjustable repair stand. 5. Sportneer bike repair stand. 4. Songmike's Pro bike repair stand. 3. MV Power Pro. 2. Yahitech Pro bicycle repair stand. 1. Bikehand Pro repair rack stand.